The figure shows the trajectory of an object projected with a speed v at an angle theta. Find tan theta in terms of alpha and beta. Let's call this point P, and let's say these are the distances. The height of P is h, and these two distances are a and b. We want to find tan theta, so let's find expressions for sin theta and cos theta. We'll do that in terms of these variables. We know that a is v cos theta times t. Let's say it takes time, let's say at time t, the projectile reaches the point P. Since the horizontal component of the velocity is v cos theta, a must be equal to v cos theta t, and therefore cos theta equals a by vt. Similarly, h equals ut plus half at square, right? So h is the height at which point P is. So h equals v sin theta t minus half gt square, and from here you get sin theta equals 2h plus gt square by 2vt. And therefore we can find tan theta as sin theta by cos theta. What you get is h by a plus gt square by 2a. Now h by a is nothing but tan alpha, and therefore tan theta equals tan alpha plus gt square by 2a. Alright, so what do we do with this term here? Since we have tan alpha here, we can try to figure out the value of tan beta. Let's see if that helps. Tan beta is nothing but h by b. We have an expression for h. We need to find an expression for b. B is nothing but the horizontal range minus a, right? And the horizontal range is given by 2v square sin theta cos theta by g. And therefore this is what b is. So on simplification you get this. And therefore tan beta becomes, we found out tan beta equals h by b. We have an expression for h. We also have an expression for b. And therefore h by b is this thing here. When you simplify, you get tan beta equals gt by 2v cos theta. But we saw earlier that a equals v cos theta times t, and therefore v cos theta equals a by t. Put that here, and what you get is tan beta equals gt square by 2a. But we saw that tan theta equals tan alpha plus gt square by 2a. This is tan beta, and therefore tan theta equals tan alpha plus tan beta. So for any point on the trajectory of a projectile, if this is alpha and this is beta, then tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle of projection.